welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul and I'm super excited to talk about full join in this video. So SQL have a full join, and this full join creates the result set by combining the result of both left table and the right table. The result set will contain all the records from both of the table, and if the rows of the tables are not matching based on the common column, then the result set will contain null values. So let's go and see. If we have two tables, table A and table B, and we are using this full join, then we will have both of these two tables joined together on a common key, and all the records from table A as well as all the records from table B will be joined together, and we will have the entire data set in our result set. So ideally what should happen is that, suppose I have this table, or let's take this student course data and student marks data. Now if we join both of these two tables in our full join, then we will have all of these records as well as all of these records as a combining result of both of these two tables. Now let's go to our SQL workbench and write some query for this SQL full join. So what we'll do is that we'll take this student data as our left table and student course data as our right table. So let's put select star from this student data and then put full join, and then we'll put this student course data. Now we have to give alias to both of these two tables. For student data I'm giving SD, and for student course data I am giving SCD, and then we should put a joining key or the common column between these two tables. So for us the common column is roll number, so I'll put SD dot roll number equal to SCD dot roll number. Now you can see here is that we have a error which is shown by our SQL workbench saying that full is not valid at this position, expecting end of file and this semicolon. So why is that? You might be thinking that why the full join or full outer join is not working in MySQL. So MySQL does not have syntax keyword full outer join or full join. You have to use combination of left join and right join to obtain the actual full join. You are getting this error, or I am getting this error, because MySQL does not support or recognize this full outer join syntax. So what we have to do is that we have to write a left join and right join, and then we have to use a union clause to append both of these two joins output. So in previous SQL versions you might be able to use this full join keyword, but this SQL workbench version does not support this full join. So let me show you how you can do that. So what we can do is that we can simply put left join here, okay, and let's run this query. So ideally we should get 50 rows, because in our student data we have 10 rows here, okay. If I run this query, we have 10 rows here, and in our student course data we have 60 rows, because there are two extra students, roll number 11 and roll number 12 are there, and each student in this table has 5 different courses. So when you will join these tables, for each and every student you will have 5 records. So when I run this query, I am getting 50 rows, okay. Now what we need to do here is that we need to again create the same query, but instead of left join, what we have to do here is that we have to give right join, okay, and then we have to run this query. But right now you can see that I am having this error saying that select is not valid here. So what I can do is that I can put a semicolon here, and now if I run this query I should ideally get 60 rows. So that is what I am getting, 60 rows in my output. Now if I basically remove this semicolon and if I use union, and then if I run this entire query, you will see that I'm getting 60 rows here, okay, and By default, the union operator select only the distinct value. So we are getting 60 rows here, okay, and for roll number 11 and roll number 12 we are getting the null values because this roll number 11 and roll number 12 is not present in our student data. So although the newer version of SQL does not support this full join because they does not have the keyword full outer join or full join, we can still get our full join working in SQL using the combination of left join and right join. So this is how basically you can apply full join in SQL. If you want to learn more about SQL, then you can click on the right hand side of this video, or if you're interested in Excel, you can click on the left hand side of this video. Happy learning and see you in the next video.